everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to showcase my new project qrvision SS. This is a web-based QR code generation and scanning system developed using OpenCV, Python, FastAPI, Next.js, TypeScript. And the main purpose of this project is to apply my learning from digital signal and image processing laboratory into a practical real world application. So in this website I have built two part, backend part using Python and FastAPI, and front end part with the Next.js and other things. So in this website, user can generate QR code from text or links, upload a QR code from their device and decode it, and also there's a live feature where we can use our webcam to scan our QR code. So let's refresh it. So let's try something like hello everyone, and generating the QR code, and we can download this QR code. It's on the temporary local storage. So if we download this, it will be saved on our device. We can also decode our QR codes, like uploading the QR code, such as I uploaded this. There used three type of decoding. The basic decoding also used library where it can decode easily. The pre-processed decoding used some pre-processing for damaged QR code and other things, and there is a mathematical calculation where we can decode keyword type things in the data. So as we know from the theory from QR code how this works, this is actually works by two-dimensional grid of black and white modules, where we find patterns of three large square, and then the binary data is encoded by two colors, mostly black and white, and there could be some error correction and other things. So for the latest feature, it is the webcam scanner. It allows real-time QR code scanning using device camera. As example, if I start my scanner using first time, it can ask for the permission. So I am starting my scanner. And let me scan this, and we can get the live scan output. So yeah, this part is integrated in the front end, but these parts are integrated in a backend FastAPI, which I developed using Python. Here is the API response preview. I have used a render site to deploy this API, and as we can see the API documentation, we can here execute our codes, and we can get the response as an image file and other things. So my project is currently deployed in Vercel. You can visit this, and this website is not only just QR code scanning and other things. We can also get some theoretical knowledge and how we can use the API, and there are some details about myself. And this website supports both dark mode and light mode, and also the mobile. It is very mobile responsive. It doesn't save data in any database, so it uses the local storage of your device. So you can visit my GitHub repository for this project. There is my repository. You can clone it, and you can do your works. There are the instruction I have put it. So this project helped me to combine my web development and other knowledges, such as backend API development, deployment, image processing concepts together. Special thanks to my digital signal and image processing laboratory course for helping me understand the foundation of this image processing. So this is my one of my learning projects. So I hope everyone liked it, and you can use this for your own purposes. So that's all for today. I hope. Thank you for watching my qrvision SS projects. Allah Hafiz.